Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to another YouTube video. If you're new here, my name is Trish and today I'm doing a little day in my life. I just got ready, I did my hair, and I haven't vlogged in over like 2 weeks because I've been really busy putting the apartment together. But yeah, today I'm just hanging out with Bea. We're gonna hang out in my apartment, just do some content creating, relax a little bit because I've been so busy the past couple weeks. I'm just like literally hustling every single day, working on my business, working on new clients, and like creating content for brands. I feel good right now. I'm really happy. I got dressed up and this dress is so cute. This is the Essentials dress from my clothing brand, and if you haven't shopped there, check it out. I know it's kind of always sold out, but I'm working on getting my inventory up. Also, I'm the only one working behind it. Anyways, this is one of the dresses. It's so cute. I haven't dropped the white one. I've only dropped the brown and the pink one, but they sold out so quick. This is my little plan for today. I like to write on my cute little planner, and I get a lot of stuff done this way rather than making it cute. My favorite protein bar from Alani Nu. This is the Oreo one. Cookies and cream protein bar. Essentia is my favorite water. I just got this last night. I went to the groceries. They didn't have Oatly at Safeway and I thought they did, so I have to get that at Nugget. I just got this because I really wanted like chocolate drink, and soy milk it is. I'm with Bea. Hey guys. I'm gonna take a picture in this dress. First time I've gone out. Wow, you're so pretty. That's so zoomed in, girl. Okay. We are opening some new arrivals.
I'm trying to figure this out, but
it's a one, yeah, it's like, it looks kind of funky. Yeah. It's a one-piece swimsuit. So I have the bikinis, they're so cute. And then you have this style, it's in black and brown. And this one's in light brown and dark brown. I'm gonna shoot for Palmer's and I have to do like a video, but they sent me this skin therapy oil, coconut oil, hemp oil, moisturizing body oil. I bought coconuts for like the shoot because I'm using the coconut oil. I'm gonna do my content and then I'm gonna take some pics. Then we're gonna go head out to the pool. I'm really excited. So this is the bikini. It's a one piece. It's kind of confusing to put on at first, but you get the hang of it. And it like basically wraps around and it ties right here. And then there's this whole little hole, keyhole style. And it's like adjustable on the sides so you can fit it in your body. And then I have this like mesh skirt, which you can style however you like. But I think this style is really cute. This is my first time in the pool area. I'm dead.
Nervous.
What?
I don't wanna.
She's tanning.
Fair.
Actually, I kind of want to swim.
Girl, I know, same.
But I didn't bring a towel.
Yeah, same.
Did I have towels? We're gonna make some banana bread because my bananas are like too ripe.
Good to do that.
Some baking soda, vanilla extract. And then I have these like cute little whisks. It's so small. And look at how cute my spatulas are.
Yeah, I think it's like cool.
I'll put some more brown sugar.
I want to crack one of the eggs. Okay, so I use mash.
I'm guessing.
Girl! I did not know that. Okay.
So I'm gonna go work out now. No, it's okay. I'm wearing this PacSun top. It's like the Playboy. I think it's a swim top, but I like to use it for working out. And then my little shorts are from Garage. It's a lilac high-waisted shorts and it's my favorite. So yeah. Whiskey sour in your caress, don't want you endless, ribbon bitten by your teeth. Turn me around, me too, turn me around, me too. Whiskey sour in your caress, don't want you endless, ribbon bitten by your teeth. Turn me around, me too, turn me around, me too. finished my workout and my camera's gonna die. Yeah, I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye!